Hey everyone, hope you all had a good week. Welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is February the 7th. As per usual, this is a series that'll sort of show you behind the scenes and things you can expect from us. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that's it for this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this series. It really means a lot to us. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Although I think there were a couple Tuesday specials coming up in there that you may not see on the website yet, but you'll see in some upcoming Tuesday specials, so be sure to check that out when it comes. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.